To troubleshoot or to remove this, you squeeze this. You squeeze this, then slide it down. Then still it may be difficult to do it. So very carefully you push from this end while pressing it here. Then it will slide. Then when you want to put it back, make sure that the clamp rests inside the groove. Sometimes if you put the clamp a little bit away or too close here, that's not going to seal it properly. It has to be in the middle in that piece. I'm not trying to remove it now because it tears up. Already I tore off a piece over here while removing, and if I tear it off, then I may not be able to find a suitable piece in the market, same size, same inner diameter and outer diameter, heat resistant, that kind of thing. Same thing here. You can remove the clamp if you want to troubleshoot anything. However, before removing any of these things, first try to find out what is the problem. If this is not the issue, why to remove this? So there is a screw over here. This screw you can turn it or close it. If you turn it, that means it is going to the pressure valve will be released with less pressure inside the backflow pressure inside the tube. If you tighten it, then it will take a little bit more pressure before it drips. Then you have to put it back here. Then one more thing, that the main cause of no flow into the heater is that there may be air bubble in here. In this line, if there is an air bubble, it is losing prime, then it's not going to, the pump is not going to supply water in here. So that is the main thing. When it stops, no water is coming out, or no, just the pump runs, nothing happens. So that's when you are going to prime it. To prime it, yesterday I found a solution, because that happened to me. I found that after running for a minute or so, I found some water coming up to here. Then this portion was empty. Nothing was here, only air. So I kept this valve a little bit open. Then I tried to blow. After filling some water in the reservoir, I tried to put my mouth over here and blow it like this. Then blow it like you blow a trumpet. Then under pressure, that air gap will be filled with water. Then you are good to go. Then it will supply water to the heater, and it will produce steam. This is assuming that all the other electrical connections are doing fine. That means the heater is heating up. Then when the water goes over here, it's going to heat up. So again, when you want to, in worst case, only in old pumps, then you need to mess with this pump. Otherwise, like many people said that they used some vinegar, and with the vinegar it cleared up the clog and it worked fine. So that's fine. And before even adding vinegar, try to blow into that tank so that it will prime up, then do it. So all the hassle, you don't have to open anything at all. Just before doing anything, just to blow air into that. air into the reservoir. Why that happens? But when the heater runs without any water in the tank, then it runs empty, then it fills with the air bubble. The inline, the inlet tubes, they get filled with air, and it loses prime. Even though it is self-priming, still little bit air is left out. With a little bit of air pressure into the reservoir, it will prime and everything will work fine. Then, okay, I think that's all. That is how to open it up. Then putting it back, that is we have to go in the reverse way, and that is another video. Well, I can continue showing that now. So what you have to do is, it is like this. So you have to start putting this first, then you have to close this, then you have to put this metal thing back, and while putting the metal thing back, you have to fit the controller. That will be another video. It's very difficult. It's easy to take it out, but very difficult to put it together, because it becomes very important to keep this completely shut like this, otherwise it won't align. And these holes, everything needs to align, otherwise it won't work. Okay, thank you very much, and give your comments if you want to, whatever you like or you did not like. Then I will have another video for reassembly of the unit. Alright, thank you very much. I'm not sure whether the video is clear or not, but I'll try. This is my second time I made a video out of it, DIY video. The first one was reassembly, which was pretty long. That's why I haven't posted that in the YouTube, because I have to trim it down or retake it to do it, because it was messing up. While reassembly, you forget some of the things and you have to redo the whole thing. Alright, and there are other videos some other people have already done, posted some videos for how to dismantle the unit, so you can watch those also. I watched many videos before fixing some of these things, so I thought it is my turn to show some of the tricks that I found. Alright, thank you very much everyone. Bye.